My boyfriend and I's favourite dog ever is a Dalmatian, and I'm gonna try and convince him with these photos. So fingers crossed, after this, we will be getting a Dalmatian. Dola AI has helped me create these, and honestly, it was so easy. And I think that Ben is gonna be convinced after this. All you have to do is download Dola AI, open a chat, click AI creation, and select the image that you want to use and write a prompt. I added a Dalmatian puppy into the background playing in the snow. The image will remain unchanged, and then it will start generating for you. In about a minute, you'll have your photos for free too, so let's go surprise Ben. Here's the before and after, and this has made me want a Dalmatian puppy even more now. Babe, I have something to show you. You know how our favourite dog ever is a Dalmatian?
Yeah.
Wait until you see this. It's me with a Dalmatian. Next one.
He's looking at me. He's literally looking at me.
Look at how cute. Are you ready to see the last one? You're not ready. Swipe. We've got 4!
No, babe, seriously, how did you do that? That's literally me.
Dola AI helped me create these. Shall we make some more?
Let's do it.